Good morning, my dear students, and good morning, one and all. Welcome to the specialized master course. The topic name is Master Course of Microsoft Power Platforms. I'm Dr. Jose, a researcher, professor of business, IT, and media studies. So, what is a Microsoft Power Platform? Power Platform combines the robust power of Power Applications, Power BI, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents into the one powerful business application platform. And it's providing a quick and easy app building and data insights. And why use Power Platforms? Because of Power Platform provides organizations with the easy means to analyze, visualize, and manipulate the data for insights and automate a business process. And these products create easy workflows across organizations and helping to free up time for to focus on more value-added tasks. And do you know what are the difference between the Power Apps and Power Platform? The Power Apps is an application development platform that is part of the broader Microsoft Power Platform and whose capabilities are built on and utilize Azure cloud services and Dynamics 365 for sales, service, field service, marketing, and talent are built natively on the platform. And who created the Power Platform? And Microsoft Power Platform was developed by the initial release in the year of 2018, and the operating system is Microsoft Windows, and its type is business intelligence, app development, app connectivity, robotics process automation, and the license is proprietary software. And what are the five major fundamental benefits of Microsoft Power Platform? Number one is it allows you to manage all business processes in a single platform. And second one is it's designed for all kinds of users. And third one is it reduces your dependency on third-party tools. And fourth one is it allows you to work across devices. And final one is it comes with Office 365 integration. And Microsoft focused simplifying business applications like big data and artificial intelligence. Upon reading through the specified concepts and announcements, it's easy to conclude that Microsoft is putting tremendous weight on simplifying business applications, big data, and artificial intelligence with the focus of citizen developers. And because Microsoft is seeking to empower companies to be able to achieve more with data without building large data science teams. This is not to say that their tools won't work well for data science. Clear that they will, but the flexibility certainly democratize these critical technologies. And in this course, I will lecture these five topics. Number one is introduction and benefits of Microsoft Power Platform, and second one is importance and how to access the Power BI, and third one is importance and how to access of Power Apps, and fourth one is importance and how to access of Power Pages, and final one is importance and how to access of Power Automate and Power Virtual Agents. Okay, my dear students, until now and learn today. Thank you once again.